Hello children, I hope you are all happy and safe. Welcome to this special English hour. Here every day we will be learning something new in a fun and interesting way. So would you like to get started? Then come join me in a dance. बच्चों प्लीज खड़े हो जाइए और मेरे साथ एक डांस में जुड़ जाइए. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, roll, roll, roll. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, jump, jump, jump. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, walk, walk, walk. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, dance, dance, dance. Scooby-Dooby, Scooby-Dooby, everybody roll. Children, I hope you all enjoyed the dance we just did. Now, let me ask you a few questions and let us share our thoughts and ideas. बच्चों, अब मैं आपसे कुछ सवाल करना चाहूंगी. Children, we all love school, don't we? But what is it that you like most about your school? बच्चों, आपको अपने स्कूल के बारे में सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद है? I love the playground. I love the library. I love reading books there. I have fun at my school. Which subject do you like the most? आपको कौन सा विषय सबसे ज्यादा पसंद है? I love geography. Why is this your favorite subject? आपको यही सब्जेक्ट सबसे ज्यादा क्यों पसंद है? I like geography because it tells me about other countries. I like geography because I get to know more about my own country. Okay, now tell me, do you all like the recess time? क्या आपको recess का समय पसंद है? I love the time during recess. What happens during recess time? Recess के वक्त क्या होता है? I love recess time because everyone gets to play. Some kids sit and talk while others finish up their tiffin. There are other friends who just go and play games. Everyone is free to do whatever they want. So I like recess time. What do you do during the recess time? आप recess के वक्त क्या करते हैं? A lot of us are busy completing our homework during the recess time. Some of us just like to sit and chat with friends. I used to like reading books during my recess time. This recess time or break time, have we come across it somewhere else? ये recess का time या break time कहीं और भी मिलता है? Yes, when we go for movies, don't we get an interval in between? We get a break time in between to freshen ourselves up and to just take a break. Do you think recess time is important? क्या आपको लगता है कि recess का समय जरूरी है? When we study all day or work all day, it's very important to have a little break in between. It's very important to give some time where everyone is free to do whatever they like. So yes, recess time is very important. We will be learning some new words today. The first word is recess. 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 The second word is noise. 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 The third word is shout. 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 The fourth word is begin. 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 The fifth word is with might and main. Might and main. Might and main. So children, what are the new words and the phrase that we learned today? Recess, noise, shout, begin, with might and main. Children, now that we have spoken so much about how we like recess and how important it is, let us read a small little poem on recess time. Please open page number 6 of your English Balbharti textbook. We will be reading this poem. If you have a textbook, please point to the words as I read. If you don't have a textbook, please listen carefully. While reading, we will come across the new words we just learnt earlier. Please pay attention to them. Children, what is it that you see in these pictures? Let's look at the first image. We can see children talking with each other. What do you see happening in this image? There are two little boys running along. What do you see in this image? There are children playing together. And what is it that you see in this image? Children are chasing each other. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout. While here and there, with quiet air, groups of children walk about. So it's recess time. What are all the children doing? Some of them are quietly chatting with each other, while the others are running around, jumping and making a noise. A game begins, but no one wins, although they play with might and main. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. And so it's recess time. All the children are enjoying and playing a game. Everyone is playing with all their strength, with all their might and main. But who is winning and who is losing? No one has a track. Everyone is busy just enjoying themselves. And suddenly the bell rings and school is over. We read a poem on recess time. Isn't it nice how the poet was able to create a picture in front of us about recess? While some children sit on one side chatting with each other, on the other side we see lots of children playing games. While playing games, everyone is just busy enjoying themselves. No one is worried about who is winning or who is losing. The bell rings and school gets over. Children, I hope you all liked the poem we just read. Now you will see an image of a playground on your screen. You have to identify the different objects that you see on the playground. Also, it would be nice if you can think what more would you like to see in your playground. So, what are the things you saw on the playground? There was green grass, trees, swings, lots of children, games. I hope you were able to spot more items than just these. What are the other things that you would like to have for your playground? Okay, children, so let's do another activity now. You will see a list of activities on your screen. You have to decide which activities are done during recess time and which are done during classroom. In your notebooks, please make two columns. On one column at the top, please write during recess time, and in the other column, please write in the classroom. Now, under these columns, you can write down the activities. Let me show you one example. The activity of eating. Where do we do it? Yes, we do it during recess time. So, it will come under the first column, during recess time. Like this, you have to list the activities, whether they are done during recess time or whether they are done during classroom. Would you like to give it a try? Let's begin. Were you able to list the activities? Come, let's have a look at the answers. During recess time, we eat, play, run, shout, share tiffin, laugh loudly, and jump. In the classroom, we study, answer questions, pay attention, keep quiet, and clean the board. Children, I hope you were able to sort the activities correctly. Come, let's do another activity now. Everything around us has a name. Name for people, places, animals and things. Animals around us also have names. The place where you stay also has a name. These are all called naming words or nouns. Let us try to now identify and circle the nouns that we find in sentences. Let me show you a simple example. Let's take the sentence, "The spider climbed up the wall." Please have a look at this sentence for some time and try to identify the noun here. Yes, spider and wall are the two nouns. Like this, there will be a few more sentences on your screen. Try to identify the nouns in them. Shall we begin? Okay, let's start. So, were you able to find the nouns? Come, let's have a look at the answers together. Ken will attend the party tomorrow. Ken and party are the nouns here. Chicago is very cold in January. Chicago and January are the nouns here. Karen loves reading novels. Karen and novels are the nouns here. The summer vacation begins in June. Summer vacation and June are the nouns here. I hope you all enjoyed the singing and dancing we just did. It's now time to sit back and enjoy while I tell you a wonderful story. Have you ever spent time in your garden? Have you ever planted a sapling? I love gardening. Do you know what helps plants to grow well? Yes, it's manure. Manure works like medicine for plants to grow well. Do you know we can make manure ourselves also? Rose has just learnt how to make manure and she will be happy to share with us. Would you like to hear? So let me tell you the story of Rose and Rocky Go Green, written by Annie Besant. Rose and Rocky Go Green. What is it that you see in the first picture? It's a lush green lawn and Rose is running over it. What do you see in Rose's hand? She is holding a lot of plants. Who is running beside Rose? Yes, that's her little goat Rocky. What do you see here? Rose puts her arms around her father and tells her father, "Papa, I have learnt how to make compost." Rose अपने पापा को बताती है कि उसने compost बनाना सीख लिया है. Rose's father, her appa, asks, scratching his head, "What is compost?" Rose says, "Appa, can I make it in our backyard?" Appa asks her again, "But what is compost?" रोज के पापा, उसके अप्पा उसे पूछते हैं, ये कंपोस्ट क्या है? और रोज कहती है कि पापा, घर के पीछे जो जगह है, मैं वहां पर कंपोस्ट बना दूं? उसके पापा उससे फिर यही सवाल करते हैं, पर बेटा, कंपोस्ट का मतलब क्या है? Rose says, compost is what makes plants taller and stronger. Rocky, Rose's goat, also bleats, saying, "Bah! Even I knew that." Rose's appa looks confused. Rose tells him, "Appa, don't worry. All I need to make compost is waste." रोज अपने पापा को, अपने अप्पा को समझाती है कि कंपोस्ट पौधे खाते हैं, इसी से पौधे लंबे और तंदुरुस्त बनते हैं। रोज की बकरी भी कहती है, "अरे, ये तो मुझे भी पता था।" रोज के पापा अभी भी ये बात नहीं समझ पाए। उन्हें समझाने के लिए रोज ने उन्हें कहा, "अप्पा, आप चिंता मत करो, मुझे केवल कूड़े और कचरे की जरूरत है, इसी से कंपोस्ट बन जाएगा।" Off they ran, both Rose and Rocky. They were digging a pit in the backyard. Rose asks Rocky, "Rocky, do you know what we need for compost?" Rose और Rocky दोनों ही दौड़ते हुए घर के पीछे के बगीचे में जाते हैं। वहां जाकर वो एक खड्डा खोदना शुरू करते हैं और रोज रॉकी से पूछती है कि कंपोस्ट के लिए हमें क्या सब सामान लगेगा। Here, what do you see in the picture? It's Rose's kitchen. She is taking all the kitchen waste and going towards the backyard. Rose tells Rocky that to make compost, all you need is just peels of vegetables and fruits. So now we don't have to waste anything. Rose and Rocky had dug a compost pit in the backyard. There, Rose had already put all the kitchen waste. Now she was looking for newspapers to cover that waste. She tells Rocky, "We'll need lots of newspapers." Yes, this lady sweeps the lanes. She collects all the dry leaves and she puts it in the dustbin. Do you see the green dustbin beside her? Rose has a smart idea. She needs dry leaves. She goes and collects all the dried leaves for her compost. So far, Rose has collected waste from the kitchen of fruits and vegetables. She has covered it with a newspaper and now she is covering it with dry leaves. What do you see Rose doing in this picture? Rose is trying to water the compost? Rose and her parents are standing over the compost pit. What do they see? They see that the compost pit is empty. रोज और उसके माँ बाप कंपोस्ट पिट पर खड़े रहकर देखते हैं कि पिट तो खाली है। What do you think happened in the compost pit? आपको क्या लगता है कंपोस्ट पिट के अंदर का कचरा कहाँ गया? Yes, it was Rocky who ate away all the waste. Wasn't it funny what just Rocky did? Rocky ate away all the waste that Rose had collected for the compost pit. But tell me, children, in this story, did you learn about what compost is and how compost can be made? I hope you all enjoyed today's session. I would like you all to read the poem Recess and write down at least 5 things that you do in school during recess time. Also, please share these things with your family members and friends. Children, till we meet next time. Bye bye, take care and stay safe.